Greetings, fellow investors and green enthusiasts. Today, on Stocks Telegraph, we're setting our sights on a crucial component of the electric vehicle revolution, lithium. Lithium is the lifeblood of EV batteries, and demand for this precious metal is skyrocketing. But with a multitude of lithium mining companies vying for market share, which one deserves a spot in your portfolio? Enter Albemarle Corporation, a long-standing leader in the lithium space. The question on everyone's mind, is ALB the top lithium play in 2024, or are there better options out there? In this deep dive analysis, we'll dissect ALB's business model, recent financials, and future prospects. Will ALB become the linchpin of your clean energy portfolio, or should you look elsewhere for your lithium fix? Buckle up and grab your pickaxes, we're about to explore the electrifying world of Albemarle Corporation. The electric vehicle revolution is in full swing, and lithium is the fuel that propels it forward. As the demand for EV surges, lithium miners like Albemarle are poised to play a critical role. ALB isn't just a newcomer to the scene, they've been a major player in the lithium carbonate mining space for decades. But with new competitors emerging and the market becoming increasingly competitive, can ALB maintain its dominant position? Before you decide to invest in ALB, join us as we delve into their operations, financial performance, and future outlook. In the next segment of the video, we'll crack open ALB's financial statements to see if the numbers support their claim as a top lithium play. So, stay tuned to see if ALB deserves a place on your watch list in 2024. Before we dive into the data, we want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell us your thoughts on the future of electric vehicles and the lithium mining industry. Do you believe ALB is a strong investment opportunity, or are you looking at alternative lithium plays? Now, let's grab our financial hard hats and explore ALB's recent performance to see if they're ready to shine in the electric vehicle spotlight. First, let's address the current price. ALB sits at $130.78, which might seem expensive at first glance. However, analysts seem to disagree. Their mean target price of $146.43 suggests a potential upside of over 12%, indicating their belief in ALB's future growth. This strong analyst support is a positive sign for investors seeking long-term value. Now, let's delve deeper. ALB's recent performance has been nothing short of impressive. They've experienced significant growth in the last 3 months at 20.28%, with an additional 4.02% surge in the last week alone. This momentum is further amplified by their exceptional projected EPS growth. Analysts predict a staggering 92.44% EPS growth next year, which is a sign of a company on a strong upward trajectory. ALB's financial performance is undeniably impressive. Strong analyst sentiment, exceptional projected EPS growth, and recent stock price increases suggest a company with significant potential. However, the lithium mining industry is not without its challenges. ALB, the world's largest lithium producer, hasn't had the smoothest stride in recent months. Following a 2023 Bank of America downgrade for the lithium industry, ALB's stock price experienced a downward trend. This raises a crucial question: is the current market a buying opportunity, or should investors wait it out? Bearish analysts warn of potential oversupply in the near future. They believe that stabilizing supply chains, coupled with a surplus held by Chinese lithium buyers, could dampen demand and cause short-term volatility for ALB. These factors suggest that ALB's stock price might continue to fluctuate in the coming months. However, the long-term picture for lithium remains optimistic. As of mid-2023, lithium producers anticipated a significant global undersupply by 2030, with demand exceeding supply by over 500,000 tons. This projected surge is driven by the booming tech market and the ever-increasing demand for electric vehicles. While the short-term outlook might be uncertain, the long-term fundamentals for lithium remain strong. ALB's most recent earnings report offered a mixed bag. While sales beat expectations, earnings took a dip due to lower spot pricing for lithium. This suggests a company strategically positioned to capitalize when market conditions improve. The story of ALB is one of both challenge and opportunity. The potential for short-term volatility exists, but the long-term outlook for the lithium industry remains bright. ALB, the world's largest lithium producer, is taking a proactive approach to address the issue of opaque pricing in the lithium market. Their recent announcement to conduct more lithium auctions, including those outside China, is a significant development for the industry. This initiative aims to shed light on pricing mechanisms and foster greater transparency. ALB CEO, Kent Masters, highlighted the success of their initial auctions held in China earlier this year. These auctions not only help them manage inventory levels but also provided valuable insights into market pricing. Eric Norris, president of ALB's Energy Storage Division, emphasized the very good participation in the auctions and their role in providing better intelligence for both ALB and their customers. The broader implication of ALB's auction initiative is a potential shift towards a more transparent lithium market. This could benefit all stakeholders, including producers, consumers, and investors. Increased transparency can lead to more stable pricing and improved market efficiency. While the long-term impact of these auctions remains to be seen, ALB's proactive approach is a positive step in the right direction. ALB's embrace of lithium auctions is a noteworthy development with the potential to reshape the industry. So, is Albemarle the undisputed champion of the lithium mining industry in 2024? The answer, as with most investment decisions, is not a simple one. ALB boasts a strong track record, impressive financials, and a leadership position in the market. Their recent embrace of lithium auctions demonstrates a commitment to transparency, potentially benefiting the entire industry. However, the potential for short-term volatility due to supply chain fluctuations and economic factors cannot be ignored. Before adding ALB to your portfolio, carefully consider your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you're looking for a long-term play on the booming electric vehicle market and the ever-increasing demand for lithium, ALB could be a strategic addition. However, cautious investors might prefer to wait and see how ALB navigates the challenges of the current market and translates their lithium auction initiative into long-term success. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe ALB is the top lithium play in 2024? What are your thoughts on their recent auction initiative? Thanks for joining us on Stocks Telegraph. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis of exciting investment opportunities. Until next time, happy hunting.